Hi friends, I am Sonia from Sonia's Home Kitchen. Today I am going to share the classic French toast recipe. The French toast recipe uses simple ingredients with cinnamon sugar flavors that really set it apart. Under 10 minutes you will get to enjoy these crispy and delicious French toast. This can be served for breakfast or as an evening snack. The ingredients are bread, sugar, butter, egg, cinnamon powder, vanilla essence, salt and milk. Into a bowl of 3 eggs, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, a pinch of salt and a cup of milk. Beat all the ingredients to combine. Transfer the batter into a small casserole dish with enough space to dip 2 slices of bread at a time. Depending on the type of bread you use, dip the slices for 15 seconds on each side. Take it out of the bowl and let the excess drip back. Place a large cast iron skillet over a medium-low heat and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Transfer the soaked bread slices into the hot pan. On a medium-low heat, cook these slices until the bottom of the bread starts to get golden brown. Flip and cook on the other side the same. Transfer them on a baking sheet and place it in the warm oven at 130 degrees centigrade. That will keep the toast warm and help the custard continue to set. French toast can also be served with honey and for children served with Nutella. Serve warm with a sprinkle of powdered sugar and fresh fruit. I hope you will enjoy them as much as I do. If you like the recipe, please do share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.